Hi students, welcome to Uma Science Guru. In this video, I will do the dissection of kidney to give you clear idea about the structure and function of the kidney. Do you know the kidneys are small organs but they are as important as the heart? Yes, they are very important organs. Why? Because they filter the blood and removes the waste from the blood which keeps us healthy. The excretory system which eliminates waste from our body includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs located just below the rib cage, one on each side of our spine in the abdominal cavity. All the mammalian kidneys are similar, that's why I took the kidney of the sheep for dissection. It is structurally similar to the human kidney. Students, are you ready to observe the dissection of kidney? Let us observe the dissection of the kidney and write the structure and functions of the kidney in your own. Observe the external structure of kidney. It is bean-shaped, surrounded by three layers. The outermost layer is tough connective tissue, white colored. You observed it, that is renal fascia. The second one is perirenal fat capsule. The innermost layer which is attached to the kidney, that is called as renal capsule. These three layers protect the kidneys from external shocks and also from infections. From hilus region, you observed exit and entry of three portions. The first one is ureter, the whitish tube-like structure, thin layered. It carries urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. That is the ureter. It's nearly 30 centimeters length. The second one is renal artery. Renal artery brings oxygenated blood with waste products. The third one is renal vein. You observe the renal vein. It carries deoxygenated blood from kidney. You can observe the entry of renal artery, exit of a renal vein and an ureter in the hilus region. Carefully remove the outer layers of the kidney to do the dissection. In human beings, the length of the kidney is 10 centimeters and the breadth is 5 to 6 centimeters, whereas this is the sheep's kidney, that's why this length is nearly 6 centimeters. Kidneys are always busy. They are powerful chemical factories that perform the following functions: remove waste from the body, remove drugs and balance the body fluids, release hormones that regulate blood pressure, etc. Remove outer layers of the kidney and observe the kidney. The inner portion concave, the outer portion convex, bean shaped. In the concave portion there is a fissure or hilum or hilus. In this hilus region the renal artery enters and the exit of renal vein and ureter occurs in this portion. Now let us do the longitudinal section of kidney. Do this activity carefully while we are using this sharp blade. Please do this activity under the guidance of your teachers or parents. In this kidney's filtration process in 24 hours, about 180 liters of urine is formed. However, all this is not excreted. Nearly 99% is reabsorbed. Only 1 or 2 liters of urine is excreted. Students, please mind this point. Actually, the filtration process occurs in the minute microscopic tubular functional units called nephrons. They are present in the cortex region of the kidney. Each kidney is made up of approximately more than 1 million microscopic nephrons. Each nephron has basically two parts. The first one is Malpighian body and the second one is renal tubule. Renal tubule has three parts. The first one is proximal convoluted tubule, PCT. Second one is loop of Henle. Third one is distal convoluted tubule, DCT. Distal convoluted tubules open into a collecting duct. Now observe the dissection. I am successfully divided the kidney into two parts. Let us observe the longitudinal section of the kidney to know more about internal structure. You see there are two distinct regions, the dark colored outer region and the inner light colored region. Observe carefully. Nephrons are present in this cortex region. You observe the innermost layer, that the renal capsule surrounded the kidney. Remove that inner capsule. After removing inner capsule, we can clearly observe the kidney, color and shape of the kidney. It is dark brownish red colored and bean shaped. Removing the innermost layer, that is the renal capsule. We removed the renal capsule. Now observe the kidney. The kidney is convex outer layer, bean shaped, reddish brown colored, and the ureter is coming from the hilus region. This is the outer structure of the kidney, external structure. Observe the internal structure. There are two regions, the outermost layer. The outermost region is called as cortex region, dark brown colored region. In this region, the nephrons, the functional units of the kidney, the nephrons, nearly 1 million nephrons are present in this cortex region, dark colored region. It is granular. Internally, the kidney has three regions: the cortex region, the medulla region, the pelvis region. Filtration process takes place in cortex region. Why? Because the Malpighian bodies and convoluted tubules are present in this cortex region. In the second, the medulla region, pyramidal-like structures are present in medulla region. Nearly 8 pyramids are present in this region. The collecting ducts and loops of Henle are present in this pyramidal structures. Collecting ducts of all the nephrons opens into this pyramidal structure. The tip of the pyramid is called as renal papillae. You observe this in the second picture, renal papillae, tip of the pyramid. The collecting ducts fuse together and opens into this renal papillae. You observed all the renal papillae. These renal papillae opens into minor calyces. You observed the thread-like structures, minor calyces, white colored thread-like structures. These minor calyces opens into major calyces, which then forms as pelvis. Pelvis leads to ureter in the outside of the kidney. Malpighian bodies in the cortex filter the blood and urine comes out the kidney through the ureter. In the cortex region, filtration through the Malpighian bodies and the reabsorption through the renal tubule occurs, and the urine enters into the collecting ducts. Collecting ducts are fused together and enters into renal papillae, the tip of the pyramids. Urine, the waste products, enters into the renal papillae and then into the minor calyces and then major calyces and enters into the pelvis, the funnel shaped structure. The urine from the kidney comes out through the ureter and stored into the urinary bladder and excreted through the urethra. Students, I think you got clear idea about the structure and function of the kidney. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you.